Good morning, everyone. I'm watching Eco Lodge. I'm in Berti Tingtibi, which is under Zhemgang. So if I go around, then I'm Eco Lodge. It's a beautiful place to stay. Those are homestay. Homestay. So if I show you around, on the homestay. So this is the cabin one, madam, as madam said. Then another. It's a vedula. It's very beautiful. Let me go closer. Anna. So, if you want to visit, you can always come here and do visit. See? Around see. Anyway. So this is the Eco Lodge Berti. Anyway. So if you want to visit, you are welcome. So there we have a cafe straight towards me. 118 na watching. We have cafe there. And then here we also have a small pond. And I don't think that there will be a fish out here. And here, see, Asalam sir and madam is there. And the land. If I give you a tour and a watching, so finally we are reaching towards the kitchen shop. So this is how it looks like. Chombe duga na? Chombe iya? Yeah.